Hello everyone, today we show you how to key unlock on MTC TV with service menu and without remote control. These service menu code used for factory reset. First code is menu 1147, second code is input 2580, third code is 8896, fourth code is 2008, fifth code is 1195, sixth code is 1149, seventh code is 2580, eighth code is 1950. After entering in service menu, follow these instructions. Highlight shipping initial or factory reset mode. Press right arrow or enter button on your TV remote control. This process take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Remove all data from your TV. These codes are used for factory reset or unlock your TV. In case you have no remote, follow this method. Turn on your TV, press menu and input key on your TV. Second method is turn on your TV, press source and power button on your TV. Third method is press any two keys simultaneously on your TV unlock.